Welcome to Doomsday Prepper, your go-to channel for survival and prepping tips. If you're serious about staying prepared, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on critical advice that could save your life. When the lights go out, life as we know it changes in an instant. For preppers and survivalists, living without electricity isn't just a worst-case scenario, it's a way of life. In this video, we'll dive into practical tips for lighting, heating, cooking, water access, waste management, and alternative energy sources without electricity. By the end, you'll be ready to not just survive but thrive off-grid. Why preparing for life without electricity is essential. Electricity powers nearly every aspect of our daily lives. When it's gone, even temporarily, the ripple effects can be devastating. Think food spoilage, lack of communication, and even compromised safety. Prepping for life without electricity ensures that you and your family remain comfortable, secure, and self-sufficient during blackouts, grid failures, or SHTF scenarios. Lighting without electricity. Living without electricity doesn't mean resigning yourself to the dark. Let's go deeper into lighting solutions to keep your home illuminated. DIY solutions for lighting tin can lamps. Fill a small tin can with vegetable oil, insert a wick, and use it as a makeshift oil lamp. Glow in the dark. Paint. Use this to mark pathways, stairs, or key items in your home for visibility at night. Reflectors and mirrors. Place mirrors strategically to amplify natural or artificial light. This is especially helpful in larger rooms. Long-term solar lighting solutions. Solar panels can power LED lights. Choose models with durable batteries to last through the night. Solar string lights are perfect for lighting multiple areas efficiently. Lighting isn't just a luxury, it's crucial for safety and morale. Diversify your options to ensure you're never left in the dark. Heating your space without electricity. Cold weather can be life-threatening without reliable heat. Here are additional tips for staying warm. Passive heating techniques. Thermal mass. Use materials like bricks, water barrels, or concrete to absorb heat during the day and release it at night. Seal your home. Cover windows with plastic sheeting and seal doors with draft stoppers to retain heat. Emergency heat sources. Terracotta pot heater. Place tea candles under an inverted terracotta pot to create a simple, cost-effective heater. Body heat. Use reflective emergency blankets to trap body heat efficiently. Building a wood supply. Keep your woodpile covered but ventilated to prevent moisture buildup. Learn to identify and harvest hardwoods like oak and maple for longer burning fires. Staying warm without electricity is all about using resources wisely and planning ahead. Cooking without electricity. When the grid is down, your approach to cooking must adapt. Let's dive deeper into your options. Advanced fire management. Dakota fire hole. Dig a small hole for your fire with a connecting air tunnel. It's efficient, produces less smoke, and is great for stealth. Charcoal making. Learn to create your own charcoal for extended cooking and heating. Creative cooking methods. Clay ovens. Build a simple, insulated clay oven for baking bread and roasting meat. DIY solar reflector cookers. Use aluminum foil and cardboard to focus sunlight for boiling water or cooking meals. Storing fuel for cooking. Stockpile different types of fuel. Wood, charcoal, propane, and alcohol for flexibility. Rotate your fuel supplies regularly to ensure usability. Experiment with these methods before you need them to ensure you're confident when the time comes. Water access and purification. Access to clean water becomes critical when the taps stop running. Here's more advice for securing and purifying water. Advanced rainwater collection. Add first flush diverters to your system to remove contaminants from the initial rainwater. Install a slow sand filter for a natural, efficient purification process. Alternative water sources. Look for local ponds, rivers, or springs. Use a portable filter or boiling to ensure the water is safe to drink. Learn to identify plants like bamboo or cactus that store water naturally. Water storage tips. Use food-grade barrels or containers to store large amounts of water. Add a few drops of unscented bleach per gallon to prevent algae growth in stored water. Securing a steady supply of potable water is the foundation of survival. Waste management. Without electricity, proper waste management is crucial for sanitation and health during an extended grid-down scenario. Managing human waste. Build a composting toilet using a bucket, sawdust, and a sturdy wooden frame. Dig latrines at least 200 feet from water sources to avoid contamination. Garbage disposal. Burn non-toxic waste like paper and cardboard in a controlled fire pit. Compost organic waste to create fertilizer for your garden. Preventing disease. Keep your waste disposal area separate from living and food preparation spaces. Regularly disinfect tools and surfaces to reduce the risk of illness. Taking control of waste management ensures a healthier environment for you and your family. Alternative energy sources. Even without the grid, you can generate power to maintain some modern conveniences. Solar power. Install a solar panel system to charge batteries or power small appliances. Portable solar chargers are great for devices like phones, radios, and lights. Wind power. Set up a small wind turbine if you live in a breezy area. Combine with a battery bank to store energy for later use. Human-powered energy. Hand-crank generators can power radios, lights, or even small appliances. Pedal-powered devices like bicycle generators can produce electricity while keeping you fit. Battery banks. Invest in deep-cycle batteries designed for renewable energy systems. Use an inverter to convert stored energy into usable electricity for appliances. With alternative energy sources, you can maintain some level of modern comfort while living off-grid, staying safe and secure. Without electricity, security becomes a top concern. Here's how to stay safe. Home fortification. Reinforce doors and windows with bars, locks, or shutters. Use motion-activated lights powered by solar panels to deter intruders. Community cooperation. Build strong relationships with neighbors or other preppers in your area. Pool resources and skills to create a safer and more resilient community. Monitoring your perimeter. Use low-tech solutions like string alarms or tripwires with bells. Train dogs to alert you to unusual activity around your property. Security is just as important as food and water in any survival situation. Staying entertained and sane. Maintaining morale is vital during extended periods without electricity. Low-tech entertainment. Play card games. Learn to play a musical instrument or practice storytelling. Keep a journal to document your experiences and reflect on your progress. Skills for the future. Learn practical skills like sewing, blacksmithing, or gardening. Pass these skills down to family members to ensure self-sufficiency. Stay connected. Use ham radios to communicate with other preppers or listen for updates. Build a physical library of survival guides and how-to books. Keeping your mind engaged and your spirits high can make all the difference during tough times. Planning ahead. Living off-grid isn't about making do. It's about thriving with what you have. Practice and training. Simulate power outages to identify weaknesses in your setup. Join workshops or online courses to improve your off-grid skills. Stockpiling essentials. Focus on multi-use items like duct tape, tarps, and rope. Regularly review and update your supplies to ensure they're ready when needed. Building a resilient mindset. Practice meditation or mindfulness to stay calm under pressure. Develop problem-solving skills by tackling small challenges daily. Preparation isn't just physical, it's mental. A resilient mindset is your greatest asset. Thanks for tuning in to Doomsday Prepper. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your community, and leave a comment below with your favorite off-grid tips. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more essential prepping advice. Stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.